Okay, hair is wet. I'm gonna, well, not wet, but damp. So I'm gonna apply the Derma on the right side and then the Olaplex on the left side. I already know the Olaplex works great on like dry hair. It left my hair non-frizzy and stuff, and as you can tell, this is a little bit more orangey. It has beta carotene in it and made out of glass. Olaplex made out of plastic. Don't know why. But yeah, so let me split it and put some on and blow dry. Okay, so hair is damp. Olaplex on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I already know it works well on like when I put it on dry hair, like after styling. And it was so shiny and smooth and frizz free. Like it kept my hair frizz free. For some reason I feel like that wasn't enough for my ends, because very little comes out. Okay, wash my hands. This one, like, I'm for sure they're not getting mixed, you know. Okay, so this is my first time using the Derma actually. It has like a glass container, which is pretty cool. It's a lot more amber in color. I feel like it's the same. It doesn't really have a smell. It does feel a lot oilier though, and not like a dry oil feeling. So I think that 5 drops was already kind of a lot. Just because, I don't know, the feeling, it's like thicker. The Olaplex feels more like a dry oil to me. And I know it has dimethicone, but I don't want to over oil my hair, if that makes sense. So I just spread that around my hand. It feels thicker, most definitely. So this is on damp hair, and I'm gonna blow dry real quick. Okay, so before curling, like I'll curl it right now, but I'll also give an update like the next morning, just because it's nighttime right now. I like to do my hair at night, so I'm not gonna be like brushing in the morning. I want it to be like, if I sleep in it and it's already like effortless and stuff, I usually put it in like a soft bun, like with a clip on top of my head. I don't really move much when I sleep, that's why, and I lay flat. I don't really, so that's why I'm able to do that. But yeah, I will do it real quick. I'll show it, and then next day type of clip. So this side is a lot more like together, and this side is a lot more like fluffy. I don't know if it's my technique or just because this side feels like a little more heavier, you know, that they're not able to like do their own thing. I don't know. So yeah, so now I'm sleeping, and then we'll see tomorrow. This is my hair. It already like calmed down basically, like from, so it's like less frizz, like, you know what I mean? Not frizz, but like I guess static. So this side is still pretty like sort of how it was, but again I can still feel that sort of residue, I guess, and this side like none whatsoever. So I guess basically that is their difference. So it is weighing my hair a little bit down on this side. Like you could tell where I basically again overput the oil. But yeah, they both look really good. $11 serum, and then is it Olaplex 28, I believe. so far, both of them good. Just be really wary of not putting too much of this one. And again, Olaplex has that like patented formula, so can never go wrong. But it's a good option, but there's just already so much out there, like, you know. But if you're willing to try like a vegan formula, then go for the Derma E. And I believe that's it.